Hey everyone, get ready to upgrade your workouts with Armageddon SPORTS weightlifting gym hand grips that offer adjustable wrist support wraps for ultimate comfort and durability. Say goodbye to old-fashioned gym gloves that trap sweat and cause discomfort, and hello to breathable hand pads that protect your hands from soreness and calluses. These grips not only improve your grip strength, but also enhance your overall power, helping you build bigger muscles faster. Perfect for pull-ups, weightlifting, bodybuilding, and more. They support your wrists and reduce injury risk during intense training. With these grips, you can push through more reps and reach your fitness goals without distractions or discomfort. Designed by fitness experts, they provide the perfect balance of support and flexibility to keep you focused. Transform your training routine today and feel the difference in every lift. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.